Hi, I'm Ron Sverchi, and I'm here to tell you about a new organization fighting for your freedom of movement. Seattle Neighborhood Freeways. Our neighborhood freeways, frequently mislabeled as arterials, serve as free-flowing connections to destinations. But right now they're under attack. Every day, neighborhood freeways are being experimented on by unethical traffic engineers, stealing lanes and turning them into bike lanes, adding sidewalks, lowering speed limits, and more. This wastes money and causes pollution. Seattle Neighborhood Freeways helps communities take back their road space by keeping their cars moving as non-stop as possible. This reduces pollution and keeps car exhaust out of your neighborhood. Find your local neighborhood freeway group today.